I came across this math question on Reddit and I thought it would be great to solve it step by step. Now, let's look at it together. A triangle with a base of x plus 2y centimeter and height 4 has an area of 20 centimeter. Let's first list those out. So now let's write the triangle here. The triangle has what? It has a base of x plus 2y. First, the area of a triangle is half base times height. And the base, we were given the base to be x plus 2y and the height to be 4. Now for the rectangle. The rectangle has length 5x and 2y and a perimeter of 52 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2B. That is the um, perimeter of a rectangle, 2L plus 2B. And we're given the length to be 5x and the breadth to be 2y. So now let's write the area of this triangle. The area of this triangle now, we're given the area of the triangle to be 20 centimeter square. So if the area, that means 20 will be equal to length, that's half times base, that's x plus 2y, then times height, that's 4. And for the perimeter, we were given the perimeter to be 52 centimeters. So this will give 52 to be equal to 2L, that's 2 times 5x, then plus 2b, that's 2 times 2y. Now let's solve both. Let's simplify. We can cut this 2, we can divide this 4 by 2 here, so we'll be left with 2. So this will be 20 will be equal to 2 in the bracket x plus 2y. Now let's divide both sides by 2 so that we'll have 10 to be equal to x plus 2y. That means x plus 2y is equal to 10. Let's call this equation 1. Now let's simplify this other side too. Since we have 2 here, let's divide through by 2 so that we will have 26 to be equal to 5x plus 2y. That means, let's bring the equation 2 down here. That means 5x plus 2y is equal to 26. This is equation 2. Now, we realize that y has 2 as the coefficient here. Y also has 2 here, so we can just subtract. So now we subtract equation 1 from 2. We subtract equation 1 from 2 so that we will have 5x plus 2y equals 26 minus x plus 2y equals 10. Now let's subtract. 5x minus x will give 4x, and then 2y minus 2y will become 0. 26 minus 10 will become 16. Now we can divide both sides by 4. Here, x will be equal to 4. Now we need to find y. Let's take a look at the equations again. We have x plus 2y. Let's use equation 1. X plus 2y equals 10. So we substitute we substitute 4 for x. X plus 2y equals 10. We replace x with 4. So 4 plus 2y equals 10. This gives 2y to be equal to 10 minus 4. That will give 6. Now we divide both sides by 2. So here now y will be equal to 3. So this means that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. And that is what the question asks us to find. So we are to calculate the values of x and y. So x is 4 centimeter and y is 3 centimeters. If you have any question, that you need solution to, let me know in the comments and I will help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.